它就是一个生命体，它又是长辈的，又是一个智者的，又是朋友的，它也是一个你跟外界去沟通的媒介跟桥梁，是让别人走入你世界当中的一个最好的方式。
This method of making books, known as dragon-scale bookbinding, first appeared more than 1,000 years ago in the middle of the Tang Dynasty. It brought together elements from scroll packaging and album packaging. It uses long paper as the bottom row, while pasting pages on top alternately.
收起来呢，它是一个手卷。打开来看呢，这个书呢，书页有规律的翘起，遇风则灵动翻飞。龙鳞装它分成2个部分，第一个呢就是底卷，还有一个最重要的就是页芯的制作。整个的龙鳞装制作，尤其是对页芯的制作，它是要几十道工序。如果稍微有些许的差距，或者毫米级的差距，其实我们会看到画面已经不再连贯，会出现你视觉的不舒服的这种感受。
Zhang Xiaodong has loved making books since he was a child.
特别美。
After graduating in 2008, he came to Beijing and got his first job at the Screen Printing Association. At that time, people's reading habits were slowly favoring e-books and online reads. He started to think of ways to preserve the future of paper books, and dragon-scale bookbinding came to mind.
就是我们的读书一定是从一个物体开始的，我们不是直接走入文字的，之后就催生了我去进行这种龙鳞装书籍的探索跟试制。
The production of his first book, Diamond Sutra, took him 2.5 years, and his second book took even longer, as he kept innovating along the way. His efforts have allowed for an ancient method of bookmaking to be slowly revived in China.
那个时候是一种从一个痛苦当中回到一个极度的喜乐当中，就是反复的你被这种东西所锤炼，锤炼到最后你会发现啊，9981难，少一难，你可能都完不成你要做的东西。